Hey, bro, what's up?
Oh, hey, bro, you're late. 9 years fucking late. You know, you're so late, in fact, that you have no right to call me bro. Is that clear?
Shut the fuck up. You're like a broken fucking record.
Oh, yeah? Well, you're like a shit. Exactly like a shit. Where's the assistant?
On his way.
Kid idolized this. The creeps.
Yo,
Frankie, we were just talking about you. Ah, nattering. You know how it is.
yeah, whatever, man. So what we doing here?
We're working, amigo. Taking a score. Yeah, done most of the planning, and I think we're gonna literally make out like bandits on this.
Did you talk to Lester?
Yeah, I called him. Apparently he's in the hospital having his vagina cleaned or some shit.
He's got a wasting disease.
20% saved.
No, that's not how we work.
Well, you'll forgive me, but that's how we're gonna work this time, all right? We're doing it my way, because as I recall the last time when we did it your way, we all got shot at, you got buried, resurrected, turned into a twat, and Brad ended up in a fucking prison!
Yeah, and Lester told us not to do that job, but we did it anyway.
And Lester seems pretty good, man.
Would you shut the fuck up, all right? And you, Michael, owe me, all right? So this time, we do things my way.
Yeah, and what about after this?
After this, we think about things.
So what's the plan?
Easy. We are sinking a freighter into Los Santos harbor, all right? Now, Daddy's little helper, you're gonna be on the bridge, all right? You're the lookout. And you're boarding the freighter and planting charges. Me, I'm running the deep water salvage operation with a little help from my friends. You, Fat Man, of course, well, you're not one of those friends.
Which part is easy, though?
Oh, for fuck's... Where'd you get the pussy, Mikey?
Man, fuck you!
Ah, better! I like that. Fuck you. Good. Good. All right, now let's go make some money, ladies, huh?
Brilliant. Don't be a dick.
Oh, your wish is my commando, master. Let's go, Junior. Hey, Wade, get Michael a wetsuit, all right? Take him to the boat. Oh. Hurry it up. We need some transport, don't we?
I'm coming, man. Oh, we taking my car, are we?
I'm dropping you on the Port City side of the Miriam Turner overpass, all right? Almost forgot. Here's the rifle with a thermal scope.
Almost forgot. I was kind of sold on, like, a well-organized job. What the fuck? Planned out, with Lester's weird eye for detail.
I got an eye for details, kid. Little details like your brick of blow being drywall.
Okay, man. I'm grateful for that, dog, but buying cocaine is a whole different thing from sinking a container ship into a harbor.
Not really, kid. It's all about what's inside.
Cool, so what's the thing, man?
I don't know what it is, but I know it's important. You heard of Merryweather?
Yeah, maybe.
Merryweather Security Consulting, the company our government uses to fight its wars and protect its shady interests all over the planet.
They're the army?
They're like the army, only they're private, so they cost more. Anyway, they've just been cleared to take government contracts on U.S. soil. And what's one of the first on the list?
This container at the port?
Exactamundo! So it's gotta be valuable, right? Anyway, it doesn't matter, because your job is not to understand, it's to shoot at people who try to stop us. Stop the car in the median here. Get out, find your spot on the side of the bridge and call Michael.
Okay, man, sure. Shit. Hey, dog, I'm in position. Let me know when you're ready.
All right, F, I'm in position. Damn, that's a long way up. So make sure I don't run into any trouble when I get there. Fucking Trevor.
All right, I got you, homie.
Hey, yo, there's two guards. These are bad dudes, right? I read up about these fools online.
Yeah, they're a nasty bunch.
It's clear, man. Climb aboard.
Things I do for old friends. T-pick 4 spots for the bombs. Keep an eye on me, okay?
They calling that ship in numbers, man.
First bomb is planted and armed. I'm moving up to the next position.
Hey, do this quick, man. I don't know how much backup they got below deck.
I can do it quick or I can do it right, okay?
Looks clear. Rig the bomb. Hey, ain't you gonna set up that bomb?
Second bomb's in place. We're halfway there.
Hey, you got a clear path. Plant the bomb. Hey, if this is Trevor's thing, why ain't he doing any of the wet work?
Cuz, he's screwing around in a submarine. I don't know how we got roped into this shit.
You meant to set a bomb around here, ain't you?
Third charge is set. I gotta go inside for the last one.
Hey, come over to my side of the ship. I'll clear the entrance for you. Way is a level above you.
You gotta do something about this guy. Advancing. Door's here.
Get back to where I can see you as soon as you can.
I'm not gonna screw around in here, all right?
Just tell me when you planted it.
Oh, shit.
Are you okay, man? You gotta go. The alarm's going, man. You okay? Hey, more guys in the port. They see me. Shit. I'll clear as many as I can from the front of the ship. They coming for me hard, bro. Damn. I'm playing. Do the charge. Okay, do it and get out of here. Shit, what's that? There's an attack chopper coming after me, dog. Damn, this is screwed. Getting worked up ain't gonna help. Just take it out. Second time I've been out with you and Trevor, and the second time I had one of these crazy choppers coming for me. I'm down that chopper. Awesome. I thought that was it for you, kid. I'ma deal with the rest of these fools. Hey, you got some space outside the... Shit. All right, I'm coming out of the top floor. Once I'm clear of the ship, detonate. Go, man, I got you. Coming down. Guard came out the cabin after me. Another guy. Just go. Hey, you see those
Get away from the ship! They going up!
Here we go. I'm in the drink, T. Where you at? Not far out, so you better find this thing quick. The scan-eater dive gear will be reading its signal. Okay. What sort of signals it giving off? The kind that gets crazier the closer you get. Find it. I'll come in and pick it up. Come on, give me another minute or so. Jesus Christ, you move slow when no one's shooting at you. Yeah, it's it. I found it. All right, I'm on the way. Hey, what is this thing? It looks kind of sinister. If we knew what it was, it wouldn't be top secret or very valuable, would it? It ain't doing anything to the water, is it? I'm swimming around in this. Well, it could give you powers. Turn you into infinite rage. Nah, just take a shower after, you'll be fine. How did I let myself get talked into this? So, you I done down here? Yeah, you're done. Team's meeting at Pier 400 for a debrief. Beers are on me. I'll stay for one. That's what you always say. Yeah, well, I mean it now. Floyd, come in. I got the package. I get the doc? Sir, yeah, I'm here. I heard gunshots and explosions. Keep it together. I'll be there soon. Floyd, I'm coming in. Get the crane ready. Here I am.
Man, you can say whatever you want about Trevor, but shit, he got it done.
Yep, let's hope so.
Hey, is that Lester? What? Hey, man, what the fuck you doing here?
You should be in bed.
Yes, I should be. I would be if certain known associates weren't busy making themselves enemies of the state. You know, the FIB, Merryweather, IAA. You can fuck with them all day long. But when you try and steal an experimental super weapon and sell it to the Chinese, you and everyone you ever knew is gonna be fucked in the ass, you fucking chumps!
Hold on, man. A super weapon? The Chinese, what?
What'd you think is in there?
I thought he talked to you.
All right, man, so what now?
Well, maybe I can organize to have it taken back and found amongst the wreckage.
Whoa! Holy fuck, Lester Crest! Holding on and looking good, huh?
Do you have any idea what you did here?
Yeah? I pulled a score. What, are you jealous because you didn't get your 20%?
That thing doesn't go back, then we will all end up on every watch list in the entire planet.
Watch list? So fucking what?
So they don't watch, they kill. Idiot, we'll all be dead within a week. Think! All right, listen. Take the truck, take a guy, do what you gotta do.
Trevor?
All loaded up. Trevor?
Great. Then you and the patient can take it all back.
Right fucking now!
So you mean to tell me this shit was all for nothing? Man, it's the hood all over again. Fuck!
Come on, Franklin.
You owe me, Michael. I am owed. What you gonna do, huh?
I'll think of something. I gotta get Franklin some work, too. I'll take this.
Yeah. Lots of mouths to feed, amigo.
Tell me about it.